What's going on, everybody? Dad Deuce out here in beautiful Southern California. I got my drone up here in the air. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna do this video on my car. I have a 2017 GTI Sport. Nothing too crazy done to it. I just have the windows tinted, resonator delete. Here it is. Super dirty, I apologize. But I'm gonna do a couple flybys, throw a little bit of drone action in there, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
Okay, I said this kid ain't baby. Racket ship shot, racket to the beat, kicking in my jaw. You can tell that I'm feeling
What's going on, everybody? Dad Deuce back with you. Nope.
I usually don't pop shit back.
What's going on, everybody? Dad Deuce back